Hello friends, so welcome to new video. This video is based on volcano. So we know about volcanoes. So volcanoes, actually what is a volcano? Volcanoes are like, what is a volcano eruption actually? Volcano we know is like a mountain. We will call the mountain as volcano. Why we call it as mountain as volcano? Because means inside is the magma rock. It's a liquidy part of the earth crust. There are liquid part, the magma rocks actually flow out of that particular mountain. Not all mountains are volcano, but some of the particular mountains are the volcanoes. Okay, that's why we call it as a volcano, because they cause volcanic eruption. Now, what is a volcano is about? Volcanoes, from when magma, a mixture of hot gases, ash, and melted rock erupt from a crack of Earth's surface. That melt rock like lava flows out from the and hardens. As a layer of lava builds up from the volcano gets bigger, a volcano can be active, a dormant, and extinct. Basically, a volcano consists, actually what happens now, in a crust, under the lithosphere, it contains the upper mantle, which consists the magma blocks, which is the liquid part. And when it comes to the tip of the mountain, the part over here, it hardens up as it actually flow. It actually liquidify and becomes lava. Lava is a mixture of magma blocks. Now many more things, magma blocks and then metal rocks, magma blocks and metal rocks, hot gases and ash. You can see ash, hot gases, and metal rocks and magma rocks. Actually, in the pressure they actually become liquid and they erupt from the volcano. When the earth the crust under that mountain, particular mountain, breaks up. It breaks up the crust under that. There are metal rocks, magma blocks, and all. So that thing comes in a very high pressure and erupt. Okay, so basically this is the eruption point. This is the main vent. This is the magma chamber. This is the magma chamber. This is the eruption point, and this is the main vent. Okay, so let me explain it once more. So basically, a mountain. Just think of a mountain. Every mountain is not a volcano. Every mountain is not a volcano, because mountains can consist, mountains are like, they have peaks and all, they consist of many things, but some mountains, inside them, they consist like a hole. They have a hole in the tip, and they consist a very large vent inside them, which is a carrier of lava, magma. Lava is a mixture of magma, metal rocks, and hot gases. It's not a liquid thing which comes directly from the earth's crust, but it is a mixture of magma, metal rocks, hot gases, and ash. So basically, now the wow-worthy fact about this volcanoes are, most of the earth's volcano are like active volcano are hidden under the ocean. There is a ring of fire in the Pacific Ocean. Why it's called a ring of fire, do you know? Because they consist many volcanoes in the chain. See, it is like this and like this. So in there, like here in the edges, they will consist of many volcanoes. That was active and extinct, dormant, that's other thing, but they consist of many volcanoes in that chain. That's what they call is a ring of fire. You know, that's a ring-shaped thing, and it's in the Pacific Ocean. And in the Pacific Ocean also, there are many volcanoes which erupt. They are active volcanoes. Now, what is the active volcano? Which is a dormant volcano, which is an extinct volcano. So basically, active volcano. Active volcano are those volcanoes which can like burst at any moment and every moment. Now, dormant volcano which can erupt by like mildly. Mildly in the sense like if they erupt today, they will not erupt for some time. They will erupt very mildly. Now, extinct dead volcanoes which will never erupt. Okay, but they are the volcanoes. Okay. Now we have learned about the like volcanoes structure. Now we will go types of volcanoes holes. So you can see over here, here and here. So here over here you can see there's a small hole over there. That is a volcano called as Mount Fuji. This is it is in the Mount Fuji, Japan. That is a stratovolcano. That is stratovolcanoes are tall. They are a conical shaped tall volcano. That is Mount Fuji. If I say stratovolcano is a type of volcano, that is a tall and a conical shaped volcano with step size, and they actually made of a lot of layers of lava ash that cool down and harden up. The layers actually made that stratovolcanoes are made up of hardness of that lava and ash. And then their eruption can be very powerful and dangerous. Okay, their eruption can be very powerful and dangerous. For example, Mount Fuji in Japan. Now, second type of volcano, which is cinder cone. Cinder cone volcano. So this is in Paritini, Mexico. Paricutin in Mexico. This is a cone for cinder cone. This is a type of volcano, cinder cone. So cinder cone volcanoes are the smallest and most common type of volcano. They are a cone shaped with steep sides. Their eruption are usually not so violent, not so dangerous. Now, cinder cones example is Paricutin in Mexico. Now, the Cylindra actually, Cylindra. So the cylindra are large circular holes. They have a large circular holes. You can see here. So large circular and hollow holes, almost like a bowl. They form very massive eruption force. Most of magma out of the chamber under the volcano caused to collapse. Now, the cylindra holes, like cylinder type of volcanoes, are a large hole which causes a massive burst of magma. It's a very massive burst of magma and many things. So that's what it is. And it causes collapseness, of course. Now, for example, there's a place, Ngorongoro in Tanzania. You can spell it out as you want. Now I want to say some of the more things. Shield type of volcanoes. So the shield volcano have gently slope, like are formed from thin runny lava. So they are like something like this. They will come like this and this kind of lava type of things. This type of structure, and they erupt less explosive, much less dangerous and than other volcanoes. These are gentle eruption and continue for years. This continue for years and years, but they are not so massive, they are not so dangerous. For example, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, USA. So this was the whole video about volcanoes. So hope you understand the video well. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.